So today we're gonna teach you a simple Vexel tutorial made in Autodesk Sketchbook. I'm just gonna say that I'm not a pro, so some of these techniques might not be even right. It's just the way I do it. So I'm gonna teach you a simple Vexel art while using my own techniques. To start off, just look for any reference you want and go to Autodesk Sketchbook or any application that you'll be using. Create a new sketch, pick your size, import your images, resize it, and also pick a palette to use color your artwork. Just color pick it and then start outlining. And also, if you want to use this feature, which is predictive stroke, which straightens your line or makes it even better. If you have shaky hands or shaky fingers, you could use this feature to make your lines even better. Next is to outline the hair, which to do this you need to color pick the color of the hair and then start outlining it. And also, you don't have to outline the different strands of hair. You can just fill them out and we'll do something about it later. Just follow what I'm doing. You don't have to outline every single strand. Just fill it out and we will do something with it. Next is you want to create another layer for your lips, the outline of your lips, and then just pick any color from your palette that is the darkest for your lips, and then just outline the bottom of the lip and the bottom top of the lip, and then grab your base color, outline the lip, just fill out the colors. Fill the lips down like this. Next is just grab the color of your eyes and then just again fill it out. Just color it. And also the eyelids. Next is the eyebrows. Just again, pick a color, outline it. And you can fill it out afterwards, but we're gonna do something about it later to make it even better than just filling it out. Next is take your pencil or your hard pencil and make it an eraser by clicking this. Then afterwards, just slash the eyebrows like this to make it look like it has individual strands of hair. And there you have it. This is the first part of the tutorial for the outline only. Watch the next part to learn how to color the whole thing.